Hey guys, how you doing? This is Reagan YouTube channel. Today's date it's October 14, Monday, 2019. Um, Today's topic is all about deworming and how to do it in the proper way. Like I said, I'm gonna repeat it again. This is me. This is my method, and it works for me 100%. So um, I hope I can give you a better method kung nahirapan kayo. You're not gonna watch this video if kung alam niyo na yung may mga maganda kayong method. But anyway, um, yeah, marami nagtatanong kung papaano, and then I think na ko na I think I put it on the other video, but I guess hindi masyadong marami information. But anyway, I created the idea for everybody. So so that way, different episode. Let's say this is for deworming, and the next time is respiratory, and the next one is yung mga other na sakit, mga blah 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 blah, and so forth, right? So but anyway, so it's easy to to navigate when you go to my channel. You can just click it, and then boom, all information you needed is right here. But anyway, we'll go back to the the Hoosier. So I'm just letting you know that they still doing an investigation. Today's Monday. This is my day off. I'm supposed to be going on that race. I have to fly from Virginia to Indiana, but I canceled my flight, and because so that yung nangyari, so it's very disappointing. But anyway, let's move on. I will give you another episode on that one and give you some update and what's going on in there. All right, but anyway, there's two things on the sa pagpupurga or deworming. You have an options. You got pills and a powder. Okay, let's go to the powder first, right? Okay, now I'm using a powder is just because I have a lot of birds. So some other people uses pill because they only want it to individual na the deworm. Okay, so now on the powder. Okay, so let's say first thing you do, the day I usually do it at night because I wanted them rested, and then and overnight para meron silang lakas, or naniniwala may lakas sila at makaka-recover sila ng maayos. Because when you deworm them like early in the morning, they was just wandering around blah blah blah, but if at night, and then they have all the night to process yung mga gamot nila sa body, and then para hindi sila masyadong may stress. Kasi kapag if you do deworming, every time you put some kind of medication on the birds, you'll put them on the stress. You don't even see it, but believe me, they will ma-stress sila, or they won't even hindi sila, kung hindi ka pa masyadong eksperyensado na tumingin ng stress na kalapate, you won't notice at all. So this is, like I said, this is me. This is my method. It works for me 100%. So I'm just trying to help you guys out. What is my method, right? So balik tayo dun sa powder. Like I said, the night, okay, papakainin ko sila ng, let's say, gabi ngayon, right? So nagpipid ako, usually my birds is 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Sometimes 5 p.m. It depends on my schedule. Excuse me. So now on that night, papakainin ko sila siguro mga half lang na half na feeds nila para hindi sila masyadong busog, right? And the first thing morning, tubig lang sila lahat, water, plain water, tubig, okay? And then bago ko mag-feed, okay, kailangan empty stomach sila. Bakit ba sila dapat empty stomach? It depends kung ano yung mga ginagamit yung gamot. Kasi sometimes ang chemical reaction ng gamot na ginagamit nyo, it cause them vomiting. So, ibig sabihin, kapag meron silang laman sa tiyan, meron silang isusuka. So, pag sumuka sila, ibig sabihin, boom, wala nang epekto yung yung gamot mo. Right? So, but anyway, huwag kayong matatakot na wag sila i-feed because they can survive at least 2 weeks without feeding as just water. So, this is just, ito yung paraan, like I told you, na kailangan yung gawin ng gabi. It's just because, you put them a lot of stress. So, now, I think I give you a good point on there. So, sana i-apply nyo, mas effective itong gagawin nyo. So, sa powder to, no, right? So, ngayon, pagdating ng hapon, purong tubig lang, di ba? Alas 6, Hindi pala, excuse me. Nung gabi noon nagbigay kayo puro tubig, right? So tanggalin niyo yung tanggalin niyo yung tubig ng ng mga bandang mga 10 o'clock AM. Okay? 10 o'clock AM. Tanggalin niyo yung water, right? And then pagtanggal niyo ng water, take the water off. And then after 10 o'clock, so goes all the way, depends kung yung sunset, kung ano oras kayo nagpipid, but usually before they, kapag kunyari nagpipid ako 6 o'clock, I will give them yung deworm ng 5 o'clock para gutom sila at para inumin nila yon. So meron ka pang enough time, bigyan mo silang light kung sa inyo alas 6 madilim na, bigyan niyo sila ng light, okay? Isa lang yon. Ano lang nila yon, isang higupan lang yon. Okay na yon. Depende sa gamot ng nyo na bibili nyo kung talagang strong or kaya watch out. So pag nasipsip na nila yon, nainom na nila yon, they still have the overnight. Basta ibabad nyo lang yung doon, yung tubig kasi uhaw yan eh. Kapag uhaw yung kalapati, syempre mas yung volume ng inumin nila talagang nandoon na, right? So ngayon, huwag nyo silang ipipid. And then kapag overnight, yan nyo lang sila. Overnight, yan nyo lang sila. The best thing you can do, kung bago kayo magbigay, ako tinatakpan ko ng cardboard kasi sa akin yung sahig ko is like see-through, parang may butas-butas para pag meron silang dropping, So but kapag kung ako sa inyo, lagyan niyo ng karton or like a board, plain board, so that way you can see the droppings and you can see what kind of worm they have and what, how bad it is. So kailangan niyo malaman 'yun sa sa papagdidiwang niyo. Huwag lang kayo basta mag-deworm out tapos na, but you're gonna have to observe kung anong klase, kung tapeworm ba, kung ano bang klaseng worm na 'yon. Pero usually yung ginagamit ko, i-show so yung mga gamot na ginagamit ko, lahat ng worm, pero kailangan yung malaman kung ano yung bulati nila sa katawan, right? So now in the morning, makikita niyo yung mga droppings nila, andiyan na yan, mga bulati and everything. Now kapag maraming mga bulati, bakit ba sila nagkakabulati? It's just because sometimes kapag pinapa-low fly niyo sila and then they will tutuka sila sa sa lupa if kapag yung environment nyo is dirty, so they pick up worms. So yun. Anyway, pero actually pwede ko nang ipasok dito yun kasi related naman eh. Okay, so but anyway, so yun ang ginagawa ko, obserbahan nyo. Okay, so let's say nag-worm kayo ng the first of the month, right? And then uulitin nyo to after 14 days. Sa akin 14 talaga gusto ko, 14 days. Ulitin nyo yung process, okay? After 14 days, ganun ulit. And then kapag na-process mo na yun, boom, isang taon na yun kahit wala na yun. That's, patay na yun. Kasi minsan, kapag diniworm mo ng isang beses lang, may mga eggs pa yan eh, na hindi napa-flushed out eh. So, make sure na kaya tong reason is the second deworm, mahalaga is kasi para lahat ma-flush out nila. Okay? After naman pala ng pagkapupurga nyo, syempre, lagyan nyo na sila ng yung recovery nyo sa tubig, vitamins, electrolytes, plus yung tawag doon, yung probiotic. There you go. Probiotic for 3 days. That should be okay. 2 days it should be okay too, but yun. So cut ko muna itong video saglit at may nagdo-doorbell lang, and then I'll be back. Alright, let's continue. Anyway, yun nga, 3 days probiotic, right? So, lagyan mo sila ng vitamins and everything so they can recover. So, dyan ang mga sistema ko sa powder at sa deworm. Okay? So, hindi lang ibig sabihin deworm, you just gonna put kailangan yung imbestigahan din. Alright, anyway, punta naman tayo doon sa pill. Ito yung pill na ginagamit ko. It works for me 100% and it's really safe and hindi masyadong malakas. Ito yung pill. Ang pill naman is it's for individuals, right? So for example, wala ka masyadong volume na kalapati. Let's say yung kalapati mo lang is 20. This is the best choice because you don't have to buy the whole powder. So but anyway, it's the same thing yung process na sinabi ko kanina, same thing process, but this one is like It's better because you can just get the bird and isubong mo lang sa beak, and then you can just pero ang recommended ko, ilagay niyo siya sa ibang kulungan, i-quarantine niyo para maimbestigahan niyo, and then so he won't go para tumuka, kasi pag tumuka yun, susukan niya lang yung gamot and then wala na effective. Yun ang sinasabi ko. But anyway, nga pala, ipasok ko na rin to, bakit ba nakukuha yung mga worms? Kasi yung mga worms, either pagka yung sa nani nila hindi nyo na deworm, matatransfer yun doon sa kanila. Yun ang one of the reason, and one of the reason to, napaka-importante kapag nagpapatuka kayo, kapag ang inyong sahig is like plywood, yung ingatan nyo na pag nagpapatuka kayo, ingatan nyo maka-spill sa na pagkain, and then one of the reason dun sila nagkakabulati at nagkakasakit. And then the next reason is nagkakabulati sila because kapag lumabas sila ng loft, dumapo, uminom sa maruming tubig, tumuka sa maruming lupa and everything, doon nila napipick up yun. Kaya minsan ayokong kalapati kong tumutuka sa ground kapag hindi malinis. So that's a quick suggestion sa inyo. And then anyway, ito pala yung powder na ginagamit ko. So but anyway, balik muna tayo dito. Meron tong expiration. The last thing I could recommend, lagay nyo sa sa fridge nyo para at least yung temperature it will hold, kasi usually ang gamot it will expire for 1 year, but if you keep it on the cold place, like may fridge ako dito, pakita ko sa inyo. May fridge ako dito, it will hold at least another year. So that's yun yung method ko, kasi sometimes hindi ko naman ginagamit so sayang, di ba? So it will save you money. But anyway, pakita ko yung yung ito, may mini rep ako dito. Yan yung mga gamot ko, right? Sila yan dyan. Andiyan sila lahat. Yep. So ito yung ko, yung isa kong may natin. So ito yung yung isa kong ginagamit powder, right? So yan. Anyway, isalang ko na rin pala dito sa video to na I'm still working on it, because a lot of people asking me what type of what kind of medication I'm using. But anyway, I'm working on it. Hanap tayo ng generic dyan sa Pilipinas na close sa mga ginagamit ko para meron kayong meron akong ma-recommend sa inyo. I'm working on it, so stand by. Pero I hope you like this video. Give me thumbs up kung meron kayong natutunan. Comment below. Kung meron di ako na-answer, let me know, and then I will answer again. And in the next video, again, I'm sorry for the conditioning. May mga nagre-request, how ano ba sabi niya? Paano ko i-prepare a month before ng racing yung kalapate? Ang gusto ko muna sanang malaman nyo is about, meron pa tayong time is about medicating your birds. Para at least maintindihan nyo muna ito, para kapag nag-condition kayo and you know exactly kung ano yung gagawin nyo. Kung magja-jump kayo, tandaan nyo to, kung magja-jump kayo ng 1 to 4, it's not making any sense, it's not gonna work, believe me 100%. So mga suggestion ko, yung mga payo ko sa inyo, gawin nyo, and umpisa tayo dito sa purga, and then hanggang sa umabot tayo sa puntong yon. Kasi ang race nyo, alam ko nagsisimula na kayo mag-race, pero next year, so meron pa tayong we have a lot of time to cover. Okay, so once again, this is Regan's Love, and this is my way, this is how I do it, and this is me. It works for me 100%. Alright, so give me thumbs up, and I will give you an update later sa iba pang video. Thank you, appreciate it.